My name's Andrew Knopf. I've been an attorney for 13 years. I primarily do catastrophic injury cases, products liability, medical malpractice. We do some class actions and complicated commercial stuff. As I started my firm, what I look for changed a little bit. When I was working for somebody else, I didn't have all those other responsibilities. Now that I've got my own law firm, what I've realized is I really want somebody that is going to protect me and protect the client and kind of take ownership of the client's settlement, so that means meeting with them and attending hearings and doing all those sorts of things. And that's one of the things that we've seen with Jennifer is once we plug her in, it's kind of plug and play, and she'll take all of that stuff off of my plate. One of the things that's really helped us with our relationship with Jennifer is that we can get her involved earlier. And one of the things that we think is helpful is to try and, in those circumstances where we know there's a special needs trust that may need to be put in place, or there's going to be an amount of money that needs to be structured to take care of the client, oftentimes what we'll do is we'll get Jennifer involved early. Sometimes she comes to mediation, sometimes we don't want her to come to mediation because of the strategic issues associated with her attending, but we try and get her involved early, connected with a client so that the back end stuff is a little bit easier. The number one thing that concerns me is making sure that the client isn't going to lose benefits. Oftentimes in our in resolving big cases, them continuing to receive public benefits is a really, really important thing for the client. So that's number one, first and foremost, is that. Number two, giving them options in terms of their money, giving them options in terms of trust and how they manage it, and looking at the trust fees and making sure that those are as little as possible. But kind of taking a big picture approach to the client's money and trying to maximize what is actually going to go into their pocket while maintaining those benefits. Jen has a certain way about her where she can meet with a mom who's sustained a significant injury and is taking care of a child who has a catastrophic injury, and she can meet with them and put them at ease. But I think that it's not only what happens at the conclusion of kind of our work, but also Jen's made herself available to these people and our clients after everything is done to make sure that they are comfortable with the process. Introducing them to a trustee and making sure a meeting happens so that the person feels comfortable with this corporate trustee. Those are the things that we see. We don't get a lot of feedback from our clients, but what we see is them calling us and letting us know that they feel safe, secure, and taken care of, which is what is important to us.